This race day replay is brought to you by BMR, the leader in American muscle suspension. Dominate your competition.
Prep guys for 2016 going at it right here. First race of the Dirty South No Prep Series 2017. Second round, the two big guys going at it right here. Probe versus Firebird. Second round, the Birdman over in the right lane. Jerry Bird, the Bird brothers in the Probe in the left lane. Finney's my man. The Birdman is a bad boy, but he better have his stuff together right here. If he does like he does in first round, he is gone. He will not get by this little Probe. All right, here we go. Bird's in. Birdman's in. Oh, my gosh. Look at Birdman, though. Left lane took him out. The Bird brothers, Jerry Bird, hung in there and took Birdman out. Second round of the Dirty South. We're going to go check and everything. Looked like Birdman got real loose.